Hello, in this video, I will show you how to start tracking your brand's visibility in AIs with GetMint. First of all, I'm going to add a brand in the bottom left corner, and I'll demonstrate this example using the brand Sage, which is an accounting software, and I'll focus the analysis on the US market. Here is the Sage brand. I enter the URL, select the US market and the English language, and I analyze the website. Now, GetMint will analyze your brand's website. It will identify and extract the main product lines that you offer, as well as the brand attributes, specifically what it manages to detect based on your messaging. There you go. GetMint has analyzed your website, and it produces what we call the key brand attributes, the brand attributes. I invite you to watch the first video to learn in detail what that means. Of course, you can delete them, add new ones, or modify them. It has also suggested a description of your brand and a short description. Again, you can edit it, but keep in mind that this does not affect the analysis of your visibility in AIs. Here, it suggests several different topics, which are essentially the main business lines or core areas of your brand. You can create a new one or customize an existing one if the suggested options do not suit you. For this example, I'm going to select cloud accounting as the topic, so I will focus my analysis on this product line. There we go. I'm in the cloud accounting topic. GetMint offers me a fairly comprehensive description of what I want to analyze for this topic. Of course, you can modify this description. Once again, I select the American market and English. And now GetMint automatically suggests keywords and competitors, which of course I can delete, modify, or add to at any time. And I invite you to watch the first video to learn in detail what keywords and competitors are. And then, if I want, I can focus my analysis on specific personas or dedicated targets. These could be freelancers, CFOs in large companies, or other target groups. In this case, I'm not going to target anyone specifically. I'll keep it fairly general and generate the accounts. Here, GetMint takes your keywords and uses the information you've provided to suggest a portfolio of prompts to effectively track your visibility. Of course, you can modify or delete them or rerun any prompt if it doesn't suit you. A visibility prompt is a prompt that I encourage you to watch the first video to see how to build them properly. But basically, it's a prompt that says, I want your keyword, what do you recommend? So it shouldn't mention any brand names, or it can be based on use cases. Here's the problem I currently have. What solution would you recommend? In this case, I have already prepared my prompts on my end following the first video. So I'm going to import my prompts from a CSV file that I have carefully prepared. So I've loaded my CSV and I'm going to replace all the prompts. I could also add them, but in this case, I'm going to replace them. They're all here now, and I import them. There we go. I have all the prompts I prepared, and I can start the first analyses. Another tip, you can add the prompts one by one with this button. All right, I'm starting the analysis. First, one last recap. I check that everything is good. The brand, the market, the key brand attributes, the topics, the keywords, the prompts. And now I start the analysis process. This might take a little while, just a few minutes, so please don't worry. Just let it run in the background. You can come back later and check out the next video to see exactly how to analyze your visibility in detail. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.